Hi friends, I have this sample image and this image is full of text. So you can see the text, the objects, the image elements and other things on this image. I want to remove these text or some objects from this image, but I don't have any tool installed on my PC. How I can remove these unwanted elements from this image? For editing purpose, of course. Since I don't have any tool installed on my PC, I need a solution through the web. And on this channel, we are exploring the great web tools through which we can work smartly. And we have multiple scripts through which we can start digital business as well. In this video, we are going to learn how we can remove some text, some objects or unwanted things from a static image. Static image means this is a PNG or JPG image file and I need to remove some text from this image. How easily I can do this? I'm going to show you, and that you can do for free. You don't need to pay any amount, any fee for using such web application that I am showing on this channel. I believe you have already subscribed this channel and watch other videos for the specific tools. Let us begin how we can do this. So let us use our tool that I found on the web and that I am going to share with you. I am going to cross this, and this is the tool and it can be accessed on the web. I mean through a browser. And this is Cleanup.pictures website, and you can simply open this URL at your browser. And this tool on the web can help you to remove any unwanted object, defect, people or any text from your pictures in seconds. So look at this animation, and this animation shows how the pencils and this compass is being removed from this image. Let us choose our own image that we are taking as sample image. So simply click on the drag and drop file and choose the sample image that you want to edit, and it is here. Here we have two options. For free version, of course we are using the free one, we can continue with HD. So this is HD image format, and if we are creating images for the YouTube thumbnails, social media activities, even for website, this can go fine and this works very fine. So this HD version can give us maximum 720 into 4 into 5. So this is for this specific image. Just in case if you need to have image in HD format, you need to take the premium version. But I am going with HD, the free one, and continue with HD is the next step. Here we can choose the brush size. Like this is the brush size, by default it is here. And once we hover on the image, the brush appears. Like for example, we want to remove this text from this image. So what we'll do, we can simply slide this brush on this text, and as soon as I will I'll release the tag button, it will be removed in second, like it is disappeared. Now at next I need to remove this text. So this can be good, but I need to have a smaller brush size. So this is the brush size, and now I'm going to, okay, so I need to increase this bit, and this is good. Now I'm going to remove this one as well. Don't release the click until you are sure everything is painted here that you want to remove. Just release the click, and amazing, it is done. So it is like magic. And if you want to remove any object, like even if you want to remove this microphone, so you can remove this, but I'm showing you this one. And again, I need to increase the size, and I'm going to remove this one as well. Done? Yes, done simply. So next is we can use the preview options, the earlier one, and this is the edited format. So this is the earlier one and this is the edited. So this is very good tool. Of course you like this, and you can simply download the edited file simply by clicking on download this. Let us do this. So it is being downloaded. Sample image underscore cleanup. So cleanup is next suffix that is added here so that you may identify the cleaned up image, and it is now at our computer. So I can open the file just for you. It is edited one. So okay, so it is very simple and pretty cool tool that you can use on the web for removing the unwanted objects and the text from your image. And I believe you are going to add this website in your bookmark for future uses. So if we talk about the pricing, so this is the pricing. It is also very reasonable. So free is always $0, and the pro one just takes $3 in a month if we are choosing the yearly plan. Okay, that is again convenient, but go with the free one. It is going to help you a lot in image editing, and you are going to be use this tool several times while editing your image, and it is going to save much of your time without having any additional software installed at your PC. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add the text on the image. So we already removed the unwanted text, but of course we may need to add some text or some elements on the image. So I am going to show you in the next video. Don't skip and watch other videos as well on this channel, because this channel Digital shows you how you can set up your digital business, how you can work smartly on the web. So I'm sure you are going to like all these videos coming on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, pressing the bell button. In the next video, I'm coming with more tools. Thanks for watching.